Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So, the first video that I uploaded on YouTube was about the basic makeup, which I did that you can just casually do when you're going out on a casual outing or anything like that, or at home for small stuff like that. So, I just got some of the comments which like told me or asked me to make a skincare video. So, I think it will be very quick and I'll be showing my nighttime or skincare routine, what I do at the night. So it's a very simple 4 to 5 steps routine. I don't go much fancy. So just bear with me and see what all I do. And I also will be sharing the product description and what type of product I use. All the products ranges very economically, so I think you can easily grab them and they are really effective if you like use them for long run as well. So once I like wash my face up, I just use this 77 plus Hurt Lift toner. It's a Korean brand toner. So I got this for how much? Wait. The price is not here, but I got this for around 12 to 1300 rupees. And I think it's been 3 months since I've like used it, and it's very good. And see, I still have like 1 month of bottle left yet, so it's really effective. It's good. It will really tighten your spot. My spots were very enlarged, so yeah. When you have big pores in your face, your skin usually loosens up, and with time I think you are very prone to having wrinkles. So like just take some of the toner on your palm and just dap on your face and just like let it dry. So my toner is all dried up. Once again, I'm just gonna show you the product. This is what I'm using. And the next step is to use a serum, a face serum which suits your skin type. So I have a sort of combination skin. My skin is not too hydrated, it's sort of dry, but at some areas of my skin I get a bit of oily stuff. So I would say it's rather a combination one. So I just got this Garnier Skin Natural Serum, if you can see over here. So it has like pure vitamin C and it is an overnight booster serum, so I can just use it at night. So serum also have its categories and description, so according to your skin just purchase whatever you want. Even if you're using one simple thing, it should be according of your skin type, like this. And we'll just add some of the drops. Make sure it's not too much also. It should be in a very adequate quantity that it should your skin should like absorb it. Just rub it over. Don't be too rigid with your skin, and like just let it dry. So serum has been dried up. First step was toner, then serum. So now most of the people I've seen on various platforms that they use any sort of sunscreen over their face for their routine. But as per my common sense or logic, why would you use a sunscreen at night? I think it just make no sense. If I'm doing sort of makeup or getting ready in the morning and I'm going out in the sun, then only I'm gonna use it after my serum and before the moisturizer. But at night, I think it makes no sense. But so I'm using this Equilogica Glow and Dewy Sunscreen Gel. It's really good, really good. So I got this for about 450 something, and it's quite affordable. It will like I think go on for at least 1 to 2 months. Depends upon what type of quantity you use and how much you use it. But it's really good if you want to like try it and go for something like this. One thing which is very important for using sunscreen is that it should not leave any white cast. I'm just gonna show to you on my palm. So if the sunscreen is leaving white cast, it will be like very difficult for you to like use anything over it. So everything on your face looks very cakey. If you see over here, see, it is very dewy, very hydrating. It doesn't leave any white cast, so just go for it. So I'm skipping this sunscreen part and I'm just using this Dot and Key Vitamin C Super Bright Moisturizer. So earlier I had used some of the trials from Dot and Key, I think some months before, and I really found that moisturizer very good. But now since I'm using it continuously, I think Dot and Key has the best moisturizers, and Dot and Key is a brand which I can trust on for any go-to product. So just taking some of those on my fingers and applying it on my bare face directly. Basically, it's just for hydration, and overnight your skin can absorb it and can get the thing they require. something which I like do on daily basis. Like it's been some of weeks or months that I've been like doing this continuously. So I think I'm done right here. For lip care, I don't do anything specific. You can always use a lip scrub. I think from Coffee Caffeine lip scrub is also fine, M Caffeine. And I just use like a simple lip balm. So again, I'm using this like Dot and Keys lip balm. Recently, I just got on my hands on them. It's like really good. It's pink. It has SPF 50 plus, and it is sort of hydrating, and it really works overnight. It makes your lips very soft. Last but not least, I think for like in a week, for like 2 to 3 times, I just go for this night eye mask. You can take it from any good brand. Mine is from Swiss Beauty. They are very good eye mask out there, so you can just grab anyone which you like, product or brand wise. So I just take out one or two patch and like put them under my eye, and then overnight, whenever I usually wake up or they are all dried up, I just get them out. Because lately I've been working on a PC or a system a lot, so it has like given nightmares to my under eye, if you can see over here. So yeah, just gently apply it over here. The design for these are not that great. I want to like say it out loud. I'm so sorry, but look at this. Like there is no good design. It's like giving a gap over here. So the best thing is that you can cut a part from the frontal side, which I did from my bare hands, like this, and you can like simply use it. Or I need to cut it more, I think. Yeah. Okay. As you can see, I'm done with this. It's some what looks like this. It has a cover on the top because it has a liquid stuff going on inside. It has this so that you can pluck out whatever you want. And here it is all. This is my skincare routine. It's very simple and basic, so I think anybody can follow it if they like want to start something and just want to have a basic idea of how to do it. So yeah, I think that was all. So thank you so much for suggesting something like that for me so that I can create a video out of that. I really appreciate your ideas or comments or feedbacks that you provide me on the comment section, and I'm hopeful that you will be doing that for continuously. And thank you for watching me out, and please like this, engage with my content, and subscribe me so that you can see better hacks or any knowledgeable videos related to makeup, lifestyle, etc. in the future. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.